JD Packing is a professional verified packaging machinery manufacturing and exporting combo with over 10 years industry experience, focusing on independent research and development of technological innovation, specialized in filling machine, packaging machine, and vacuum machine for various products, such as granule, powder, chip, liquid, paste, and other product, providing customer with a variety of packaging solutions, strict quality control, excellent tech support, and considerate after-sales service win great reputation for JD from customers all over the world. JD Machine are welcome in global market. Sells well Southeast Asia, Middle East, Europe, Africa, America market. JD have built distributing agent cooperation at over 20 countries. 2,130 square meters own factory, 20 skilled workers with years industrial and marketing experience. JD team can swiftly and precisely analyze customers' needs, recommend suitable packing solution, offer right machine for the respective packing requirement, and arrange reliable delivery shipping. JD Packing Machine is widely used in various industries for different products, such as tea, food, pharmaceutical, chemical, biochemical, seed, electronics, and hardware industry. Multiple functions, high accuracy, easy operation, small size, low noise, automatic working are JD Packing Machine features. JD will keep working on researching better machine functions and keep offering more satisfied service for our customer partners. Customer satisfaction is our only pursuit. It is our great honor to contribute to the progress of mechanized civilization.